Looking to dynamically display repeater field data from plugins like ACF, SCF, Jet Engine on your WordPress site? In this video, we are diving into the repeater block from NextBlocks, perfect for showcasing multiple entries like step list, team members, gallery items, or any sort of list in a customizable layout. Whether you want to show title, image, description, links dynamically and arrange them into grid or column, I'll guide you through setting it up and customizing without any coding. So let's dive in.
Before we start, make sure the default WordPress Gutenberg block editor is active on your site. Also make sure both the NextBlocks Free and Pro plugin are installed and activated on your site. Step 1. Install both the NextBlocks Free and Pro plugin. To do that, go to Plugins, click on Add New. Then in the search bar, search for NextBlocks. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now. Once done, click on Activate. Now to install the NextBlocks Pro plugin, go to NextBlocks, click on Dashboard. Then from here, go to Upgrade Now. Here we'll see the benefits of upgrading to the Pro plan. Again, click on the Upgrade Now button. Here, choose the plan that fits your need. Once you buy the plugin, you will receive a zip folder with an activation code. Then come back to the site, go to Plugins, click on Add Plugins, go to Upload Plugins, and here select the zip file. Click on Install Now, then click on Activate Plugin. Now to activate the license, go to NextBlocks, click on Activate Pro, and here you add the license key and click on Activate button. That's it. You have successfully activated the NextBlocks Pro plugin.
Step 2. Activate the repeater block. To do that, go to NextBlocks, then Blocks, and search for Repeater. This is a block. Simply enable it. Let's see the settings of repeater block from NextBlocks. To use the repeater block, you have to create repeater fields using Advanced Custom Fields Pro plugin or Jet Engine from CrocoBlocks, or you can use Secure Custom Fields from WordPress. In this video, we are going to use the Secure Custom Fields plugin, which is free. So let's go to SCF, create a new field group. For example, we want to add author list on a page. So let's add the field group name. We'll call it author listing. Then from the field type, we'll select repeater field type. The field label will add author list. Now for the fields, we'll add a text field for the author name. We'll add another field. This time we'll add an image for the author image. We'll add another field. This time we'll use text area, and this will be author bio. We'll add another field. This time we'll add an URL. For this, we'll to add the website URL for the author. Now for rules, we want to show these repeater fields in page. Let's select page. You can also add this custom post type. Let's save the changes. Suppose we want to add the listing over here. Let's refresh the page. It's showing the custom fields over here. Let's click on add row. We'll add the author name. Now let's add an image. Let's add author bio. And let's add author website URL. Let's add the author name. Let's add an image. Let's add some bio. And let's add the author website URL. Now let's click on add row. Let's add another author name. Let's add author bio. Let's add the author website. Now let's save the changes. Let's refresh the page. Now we want to show the data right on this page. You can show it in a separate page as well. But in this example, we're showing right over here. So let's add the repeater block. We have to select the appropriate post type. Since we have added in the page, we'll select pages. Then from the repeater field, we have to select the appropriate repeater field. That is author list. And then from the pages dropdown, we have to select the page where we have added the data over here. Now it will show some listing layout. You can select any layout you want, or you can skip and create your own custom layout as well using different blocks from NextBlocks. For example, we'll use this standard one. It's showing the placeholder. Let's see the structure first. See, it is using different blocks from NextBlocks. Let's add the data. Let's click over here. You have to click on this dynamic field. You have to select the author image. Now let's select the title, dynamic field, select author name, and for the bio, let's select author bio. Keep in mind, to show the text area data, you have to use this dynamic HTML block. You can add your own blocks as well beyond this predefined layout. Let's add over here. We want to add the author URL. Let's click over here. Let's select icon, for instance. Let's select globe. Let's increase the size to 25. And the link, add the author website URL. Let's click on dynamic field. Let's select author website. You can adjust the style of this block as per your requirement. As you can see that it's showing the data properly. Let's see the option we'll find in the repeater block. From the content, you can again change the source. You can change the repeater field. You can change the page source as well. From the extra options tab, you can adjust the style as well. You can adjust padding. You can adjust columns. You can adjust column gap. You can adjust row gap. So this is how you can use the repeater block to create your own unique style using different blocks from Nextr blocks. You can check the doc link in the description below to know the supported blocks that you can use in this repeater block to create your layout. In the advanced tab, you will find some additional styling options to style the container of this block, which I have covered in a separate video. So that's it for the repeater block. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and do subscribe to the channel for more content like this.